Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you companies that are constantly hiring people and are paying good money. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. I want to share 8 companies that you should definitely check out because people are making money from these companies, and I'll also be sharing their screenshots. This video was inspired by a lady who has been able to make 26,000 rands from the online jobs that I recommend. I decided to gather all the companies that are hot or companies that are constantly hiring. If you are new here, you may not know this, but I do encourage people to send their testimonies or proof of payments. And the reason why I do this is because I want to share and inspire others, but also I want to see which companies respond faster in terms of hiring. That way I can share on my Instagram and my community tab so that more people can see these companies and apply. So that's the whole point of this video. I combined 8 hot companies that have been constantly coming up. Firstly, let's start with the lady who was able to make 26,000 rands online. This lady was able to make this money with only 2 websites, Study Pool and Livingston Research. I'm not going to go into details about the application process because I already have in other videos, so I'll just link them down below. But as you can see on the screenshots, she was able to make $1,465 from Livingston Research and $245 from Study Pool. I know these numbers may sound crazy, especially if you have never made any money online, but I want to tell you one thing: it did not happen overnight. The problem is some people want to make quick cash, they want money fast. And if you're gonna come to this channel with that mentality, I'm sorry to say you may never get to make any money, because the jobs that I recommend here are real jobs, meaning you have to do the real work in order to get paid. You can't just make money by watching something or clicking something and it's done. You have to do the real work. I have dedicated videos for Livingston Research and Study Pool, but in a nutshell, these 2 websites pay you to do homeworks, assignments, and even tests for students, high school and university students. You can choose any subject and no degrees required for Livingston Research. These 2 companies are international companies. Most of their clients come from the US and Europe. The academic year in Europe and US starts in September until like July. So this means their first semester is from like September until January, Feb, and second semester from March until June, July. So the peak season for these 2 websites is around November, December for first semester and like April, May for second semester. They usually have the highest number of orders around this time. This is the perfect time for you to apply if you want to make some money from these 2 websites. In between, you can still make money, but they don't have as many orders as they have during the peak season. And right now, it is the peak season. For Study Pool, you will be required to write an English essay about 200 to 300 words. And additionally, you will also be required to write 2 more essays or problems for the subject you pick. Students post different questions and the amount they're willing to pay. You can literally get paid $200 per question or $50 per question or even $20 per question. It all depends on the subject and the depth of the question. You can also make money on the site by selling your study notes. You don't have to answer any questions. Some people have been able to make like $300 for 10 pages notes. And you can also sell your study guides, the ones that you created, not the ones that you bought. So you can buy like study guides, create your own notes and sell those study guides. If you are not a student or you've never been to university, you can buy notes and write from the students maybe around your area and sell those notes. But be careful, only sell the notes if you have bought the rights or if you have told the students that you are buying for selling. On Study Pool, you can make up to $7,500 per month, but of course not as a beginner. If you're a beginner working 3-4 hours a day, every single day, 5 days a week, you can make like $1,500 per month depending on the subject. 2 more companies that are constantly hiring are Respondent.io and User Testing. I'll link detailed videos down below. For example, this person was able to make 3,700 rands in 1 week from these 2 companies. Especially for Respondent.io, you can make a lot of money there because their gigs are high paying. You can find a gig for like $100, $150, $200. On the other hand, User Testing doesn't pay that much per gig. They pay like $10, $15, $25, but the money adds up, so you can do multiple gigs. And if you're into tech, you can make even more money because user testing is all about testing apps, testing websites, etc. Another company that has been coming up a lot on the screenshot that you sent is Rev Captioning and Rev Transcription. I'll put some screenshots over here, but on Rev, you can make $200 per week, which is at least 12,000 rands per month, which is not bad, especially if you are currently unemployed, or even if you are employed. Having an extra 12,000 rands a month, that's good. You can also make money from Upwork and Appen. Upwork is a freelancing website and people seem to be getting gigs over there. If you have any skill or even a degree, you need to go to Upwork and create an account. For example, someone was able to make 13,000 rand. Appen pays you for doing mini projects and also Prolific. So check out Prolific, Appen, and Upwork. To sum up the hot companies I've mentioned in this video: Study Pool, Livingston Research, Rev Transcription and Captioning, Respondent.io, Appen, Prolific, Upwork, and Preply. I didn't mention Preply, but you need to check out Preply for teaching English or physics or chemistry, life science, literally anything. I'll also leave the link down below because I am currently teaching chemistry over there. So check that out as well. All the websites and companies that I share on this channel are 100% legit. They've either been tested or researched. So you don't only have to apply to these 8 companies. You can also check other companies as well. But I just wanted to group these hot companies together because I've been getting a lot of screenshots and these companies keep coming up. I know some of you have made money or are still making money online from the jobs that I recommend. If you don't mind, please share testimonies or your experience or proof of payments. Send me an email or send me a DM so that we can share and inspire others, because guys, we can all make money online. I started this journey like about 2 years ago, before I even started this channel, and guess what, 2 years later I'm sharing the information, but I'm still able to work on this job and still make money. Sharing these companies with you didn't stop me from making money from this job. So please share and share. And even if you don't share with me, at least tell your friends, tell your loved ones, tell people it's possible to make money online, because guess what, it is possible. Festive season is almost here. Take advantage of it. Some people will be quitting online jobs, some people will be working less. I'm very busy right now. I barely do any work online. So people like me who are working less, this means more orders are available. So please apply. Enjoy holidays, but also use this season to make some money. If you have data to watch this video, you can do these online jobs and you can make money. If you have any questions regarding these companies or any question in general, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. I'll see you in my next video where I'll be sharing more legit jobs. I know I haven't been posting as much, but if you're regular, you know I'm going through a lot right now, so I can only post when I can. And also, I don't want to post for the sake of posting. I want to do my research or test the website before I post.